elements of music. So, one element of music is a texture. It refers to the way different melodic lines or voices are combined in a piece of music. Dito sa texture, itong texture daw ay yung pag-combine ng iba't ibang melodic lines or boses na ginagamit sa isang musika. So, merong types ang texture. The first type is monophonic. Monophonic is a single melody line without any accompanying harmony. So, it's simple, often used in traditional music. Kadalasan ito ginagamit sa mga traditional music. Ito yung mga music na may isang boses lang o isang melodic line na walang kasama any instruments or any other voices. So, example nito ay kanta, isang boses, na isang boses lang ang ginagamit without any accompanying harmony. So, next is homophonic. Is a melody with a supporting harmony. So, ito yung mga music na meron na siyang kasamang other voices and instruments na ginagamit. Clear melody often refers. So, ginagamit na rin siya ng chords. Sample ito ay pop music and most popular songs. Next is polyphony. Multiple independent melodic lines woven together simultaneously. Each line has its own rhythm and melody, creating a complex and intricate texture. Ito naman yung texture na maraming ginagamit na instruments or voices. Halimbawa, maraming voices na nagpapalitan sa bawat linya ng kanta, or using different instruments while playing. Sample dito ay jazz music, baroque fugues, Renaissance madrigals. Sample din dito yung The Greatest Love of All, na maraming iba't ibang singer na palitang kumakanta sa bawat linya.
Random form. First is music form. Organization is structure or design of musical piece. This is the one of the tools used by composer to help them organize or arrange their composition. Yung musical form daw, ito daw yung composer, hindi siya yung tumutulong para maiayos yung kanta, or organize or to arrange. Musical form is divided into two different sections. It's called stanza, which varying tones. The following are the basic kinds of form. Is unitary form. Unitary form of music has only one section. It is usually a short song and has one verse. Example, Happy Birthday. Yung Happy Birthday is one melody. Melody, ibig sabihin, isang tono lang. One verse. Paulit-ulit lang yung kanta niya. Sabi dito, it usually short, a song has one verse. It has a symbol A, which represent only verse in one song. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, na yung Happy Birthday is represent in one song. If one song, one verse. Next is binary. The binary or AV form refers to composition made up two contrasting melodic ideas. A song in the binary form is composed into different sections is called A and B. The two different letters represent two different constructing melodies. A has main section and B as the constructing section. C is a commonly used Western in classical music. Ang example ng binary form is bayan ko. Yung bayan ko is ang A is ang bayan kong Pilipinas hanggang sinasakdal kong husa. Ang B, yung section B is sa ibon man may wilayang lumipad hanggang sinasakdal ng daya. Iyon ang example of binary form. Ternary form. Meron siyang this is a three parts of featuring the return the initial music after the constructing section. This could be that the A section is repeated after the B section, thus ABA. Example dito is yung tinikling. Sa tinikling, meron siyang A, B, may nakalagay siyang A sa taas, tapos dito sa baba, B. Sabi dito is repeated. Pagkatapos ng B, ibabalik siya sa A. Yun ang ternary form ABA. Next is could be able also that the song has three different sections, thus A, B, C. Example naman dito is Lupang Hinirang. So, Lupang Hinirang ang magsisimula dun sa A, Bayang Magiliw, tapos B, susunod is sa Dagat at Bundok. C, Lupang Hinirang, Lupa ng Araw na. Rondo form of ABACA. Rondo form is a sequential compositional form with several distinct parts in which the main section of A is alternated with constructing music B, C, D, and ends with a repeated of the essential music of theme